Hi lifestyle lovers, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Erica. My channel is called It's a Lifestyle. It is a lifestyle channel. I share everything on this channel from home decor to fashion to cook with me's, decorate with me's. I share all things associated with creating a good lifestyle, so feel free to subscribe. In this video, I am going to be sharing 10 things that I absolutely love. Most of these things I use every single day. Now, if I said that I could not live without these things, of course, I would be being dramatic. During quarantine and ever since COVID, we have been discovering a lot of things that we thought we couldn't live without, but now we are living without those things. So although I could live without these things if I had to, I wouldn't want to. So the first thing that I'm going to share is this gold mug. I just want to warn you that probably half of this stuff is related to coffee. I love coffee. Well, I like to start my morning with coffee. I'll just say that. I don't drink coffee every day, but typically most of my mornings start with coffee. But this is a gold mug, guys, that I purchased from Target. I think it came in silver as well, but I purchased it before the quarantine. It was like $3. So it was one of the you know how Target has items when you first walk in. You know, I just thought it was so sleek and just so cool, and the accent color in my office is gold. So that's mainly the reason why I picked it up, but I've been using it every day since then. If I make it back to Target, I'm gonna make sure that I grab a few more, but it's just a cheap gold mug. I would recommend not to put it in the microwave. I think I tried to warm my coffee at one time and I started smelling a burnt smell. So I think I kind of tarnished the color a little bit, if you can tell on camera. It's really, really sleek, really, really glam, and I love it. So yeah, just a $3 mug. Sometimes it's the little things that make you happy. Okay, lifestyle lovers, another item that I absolutely love and I use every single day when I make my morning cup of joe is the Starbucks white chocolate mocha. Now, when I was visiting Starbucks very frequently before COVID, my favorite drink to order from Starbucks is a Grande 5-pump hot white mocha. They just recently came out with the creamer. So now I'm able to kind of make a copycat white mocha. It doesn't taste like what I order from Starbucks, but it comes pretty close. And I don't have to leave my house to get it. It's not free because of course I have to buy the creamer and all of the items in order to make it. But I really, really love this creamer. I have been using it in my milk frother, which leads me to the third thing that I really, really love, and it's my Keurig Cafe. This is my Keurig Cafe, lifestyle lovers. It has a milk frother on the side. So inside you see the little black spinner that froths the milk. You can use it to make cold drinks, lattes, cappuccinos, and then at the top you have lattes and cappuccinos, as well as your coffee button. You can make it strong, and you can do 12 ounce, 10 ounce, 8 ounce, and 6 ounce, or you can just use it as a shot. I absolutely love my Keurig Cafe. I use it every single day. I think I got it for Mother's Day probably about a year or two ago. And if I'm not mistaken, at that time it was retailing for like $300. But I did not pay full price for it. I did get it on sale. I believe from Kohl's or Bed Bath & Beyond, one of those places. But if it's still available, I will link it below. So the fourth item that I really, really love, lifestyle lovers, and I would not want to live without, is the Dial Marula Oil Body Wash. This is my go-to body wash. I buy this all the time. I really do not use anything else other than the Dial Marula Oil unless they don't have anything, they're out, and I don't feel like going to another store. But Walmart sells it. I believe Target sells it. Every now and then you can catch it as a buy one get one at either Publix, or who also has it buy one get one? I believe Walgreens. But it smells so good. I just love how it smells. It smells so good. So this is all I use as far as body wash is concerned. I buy this over and over and over again. I really do not change my body wash. This is my definitely go-to body wash. The fifth item on my list that I use every day and absolutely love is my planner. And it's actually the Happy Planner. Now, I purchased this planner from, I believe, Ross. I think I paid probably less than $10 for it. If it was more than $10, it was like $12.99. But once I realized how great this planner was, I went back to maybe purchase some more as gifts, and they did not have any. So to be honest, I kind of think I lucked up on this planner, but it has affirmations in here. It's basically the 2019-2020 planner. So you have the month, and then you have the days where you can write things down. I love it. It has a section where you can write down what you're thankful for, and I have used that. Every beginning of the month, it has a little slogan. So this says, go where you feel most alive. And the Happy Planner, they have an Instagram. So I actually follow them on Instagram, and I noticed in Hobby Lobby you can buy the stickers for your planner. So this says dinner plans. So if you have dinner plans, you have the little stickers. Date night, I don't know if you can see that. Date night, it says breakfast date, brunch, manicure. It has the little nail polish for manicure appointments. It has payday. So if you want to mark payday, I have used the pay the bill on a particular date. I have used those before. They have the day off. So this particular sticky is titled the Happy Planner, and they actually have different types of stickies that you can use. I think one is like for your girlfriend time and stuff like that. But this was purchased from Hobby Lobby, and it was $19.99, but of course I used a 40% off coupon, so I did not pay $19.99 for it. But it is just a ton of stickers in here. One says movie night, family day. It's just really cute and just really dainty to have. And I use this planner every day. I write down content ideas in this planner. I kind of balance bills and stuff in this planner, or savings goals. This is actually a great thing to have. So my Happy Planner, I use this every single day. Okay, lifestyle lovers, another item that's on my list of faves. I don't use it every single day, but I basically smell it every single day. It is the Glade plug-ins and Sultry Spice Rhythm. If you have not tried these, you must try these. I'm actually down to one, but I love the way these smell. If I had to compare it to anything, I guess I would compare it to mahogany teak wood candle from Bath and Body Works. You know, it just has a very musk, I love the way it smells. I actually have the spray as well, the Glade spray as well, but it's not as potent as the plug-ins. So I typically keep one right at the entrance when you come into my house. So anybody who comes in, most likely this is going to be the first thing that they smell. And it's really just the sultry, it's the scent. And it says limited edition, but I've probably been using these for a while now, so I don't know if they will stick around. But if you're able to get a hold of these and try these, then you must. They smell so, so good. Okay, lifestyle lovers, my 7th item that I use every single day, and I've actually shared this item with you guys before on my channel when I did like an unboxing and a review on a MCM bag that I purchased for Valentine's Day. I purchased a wallet as well, but it's not just a wallet, it's an actual like a crossbody bag. So it's the red MCM wallet, but it comes with the chain as well. So of course I use this every single day because it's a wallet and it houses all of my things that a wallet carries. But if I just want to run in the store and I don't want to take my purse, or I am just out shopping and I don't want to lug a purse on my arm, all I have to do is just take my wallet out, put it across me, and just keep on going. I love this thing. I have been wearing it out. And I actually had to fasten the screws because I think I was using it so much. The screws kind of came loose, so I had to get like a small screwdriver and fasten the screws on it. But as I stated, it's a wallet. The chain is unhookable, so you can take the chain off, but I just kind of keep the chain and I will just keep it down in the pocket. That way, if I want to run in the store and I don't want to take my purse, or even if you're at someone's house and you don't want to be trying to keep up with where your purse is, you know, and just make sure you're watching it or whatever the case may be, you just take this, put it around, wear it as a crossbody, and that's it. I love this thing. I use it every single day, as well as I use it every single day, but because it is of course my everyday wallet, but it's a crossbody bag as well. My phone fits into it, you know, any of my, you know, debit cards or any important information that I need, it's right here. I love this thing. Okay, lifestyle lovers, the 8th item that I use every single day and that I totally love is totally random. It's a toothbrush holder. I purchased it from Amazon, and you sit your toothbrush just like this. It holds the toothbrush just like this. So it takes up very, very little space on your countertops. And what I like most about it is when I get ready to clean up my bathroom, opposed to if you're using a large, bulky, maybe like a round toothbrush holder, most of those will not fit in a medicine cabinet. But if I want to pretty much clear off my countertops and I don't want anything on it, I just take this and I just sit these inside of the medicine cabinet. I think they were like $7 or $8 from Amazon. Totally random, not that much money, but I love it and I think it's so worth the price. And it takes up almost no space. Actually, toothbrushes are actually meant to be not on the counter. They're meant to be, you know, put up somewhere, you know, and actually the bristle should be covered. But I love this thing and I use it every day because of course I have to brush my teeth every day. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so the 9th thing is actually new to my daily routine. I have been using it every day, but I've been using it every day for about a week. It is the Flawless Edges Edge Control by Uniquely Crowned. Uniquely Crowned is the name of a salon that's here in Jacksonville, and she's a loctician and she has her own edge control. And she always sells out of it. But I was able to get my hand on it and it works great. So I actually have some on today. I don't know if you can tell, but I actually need a relaxer. So I actually am using this today. And like I said, I've been using it every day for about a week and I am loving it so far. She does ship all over the world, I believe to different countries. We'll link the information below. She does have an IG with all of her work. She is a certified loctician, but this edge control is bomb.com. So I did want to share that with you guys, and Yeah. Last but not least, my last favorite thing that I cannot live without is my Alexa. I use her every day. Alexa, could you make me a list?
What's the to-do?
Could you make me a grocery list?
You already have a list called grocery. What can I add to it?
Could you add eggs to that list?
I've added eggs to that list to your grocery list.
Could you add?
Would you like to add?
Could you add K-cups to that list?
I've added cups to that list to your grocery list. What else can I add for you?
Alexa, what time is it?
It's 3:56 p.m.
So there you have it. I do not think I could live without Alexa. I have one in my common living area, which is in here, and then I have one in my bedroom. But I love Alexa. I probably should get another one. I can be in the middle of cleaning or in the middle of cooking, and if I want to add something to my list that I definitely don't want to forget when I leave the house, all I have to do is say, Alexa. All of the items mentioned in this video, lifestyle lovers, if I can find them, I will definitely link them below. If you try them, let me know if you're loving them as much as I do. Okay, lifestyle lovers, that's pretty much it for this video. Those are the 10 things that I absolutely love, that I pretty much use every day. And if I had to repurchase these things, I would continue to buy them over and over again. I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to comment, like, and subscribe. I hope everyone is staying safe and germ-free, and I'll see you on the next video.